Well, hey everybody, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal weekend, are getting ready for the big day. By the time you see this, it will be less than 24 hours to the big kickoff to the summer Wealth 365 Summit, and it is going to be huge, and I'm excited about things I'm going to be teaching there. So make sure you come to all of my presentations. I'll be speaking on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Each day there, I believe it's roughly 12 noon Eastern or so. So make sure you bookmark that because we're going to talk about a lot of strategies and setups. Now, in fact, where we're at with this market right now, we did break through that all important area that I'd shared with you previously over here, and that led to a nice move to the upside. However, what we're doing now is we're kind of facing here a little bit of a negative divergence where we're making kind of lower lows in underlying indications versus the price action there. So we're going to actually be talking about divergences and how to go ahead and trade these divergences, how to trade the ones that work and the ones that fail. In fact, the ones that fail can actually be really incredible opportunities as well. We're actually going to be talking about a lot of things there, and so I want to prepare you because right now we're setting up with a divergence, as you can see right now. Well, so this is going to be great to go into next week and talk about this live as it's happening. Today, we went ahead and actually had an initially confirmed divergence here, and then we went ahead and had right over here a failed divergence. And these failed divergences lead to some really powerful moves. Now, you probably noticed something else on my screen here, a whole bunch of these little magenta dots. I'm going to go ahead and be teaching you, those of you that are familiar with some of my strategies I've taught before, like the IRB strategy and everything else at the Summit, stochastics, IRBs, different types of momentum trades and everything. Well, what we've done is we've helped to identify these things quicker for you going forward. And so I'm going to go and be walking through those setups, giving you all the settings for that to help you understand exactly what I'm looking for with that strategy. And then you can see it very nicely visually here. So something new there for all you wealth charters, of course. So some really neat things that are coming out here, but these IRBs, because look what happened this morning when you had that failed divergence. You get those huge explosive moves, right? Well, then as we're here going into the end of the day, look what's happening right now as I'm talking to you. We had all the wonderful champion setup indicators, tools that you can only get on Wealth Chart as part of my 32-time real money trading competition winning strategies, and it's doing it again right now as we're talking. We're going to break down these strategies. We're going to share some of the settings with some of these different tools like the IRB here, for instance, and you can see with that indicator that we just put on there, it's a really nice complement here to the champion setup family of tools in that. So we want to walk through these different things, help you identify these failed divergences. Look at these. So you have these failed divergences, and look what happens when you fail below those. You get some really incredible moves to the downside, to the upside, and everything in between. And now we're seeing divergences on the daily chart. So you cannot afford to go ahead and miss my classes here this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll also be doing some evening classes there. So go to joinwealth365.com, www.joinwealth365.com. Come see my classes. We've got a lot of great speakers there, wonderful people, Tom Sosnoff, John Person, and just a litany of wonderful people that you're going to want to see there. So join me there first thing Monday morning here. So like I said, it'll be less than 24 hours by the time you see this video. Okay? Have a great rest of your day here by the time you see the video, and I can't wait to see you in the morning because this is just absolutely incredible, and this is why I'm having my personal best year in recent memory again, and I want to go ahead and share these things with you as well. Okay? Take care, everyone, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning at the Wealth 365 Summit. There, go to joinwealth365.com right now. See you then. Bye-bye.